kind of tough with gold being in the center of that range, huh?
Yeah. I tried 90, 93.9 3 times. After the third time, I said if we hold the 92s, wasn't going to try that level anymore because more than likely going to push through. That's exactly what it did. Push through that area. So I was trying to use the 93.9s to short it back down into the 90.7s, but it didn't want to go down to that area. Went down, I think, as low as like 91.8, and then it kept stalling there. So I was like, let's let it go.
I was doing a lot of reviewing over the weekend, and I think some of these stuff in the middle of a range like that is kind of part of my problem where I get chopped up tending to trying to see some type of a trend when you're actually in a range overall. So I come in this morning and I saw that. I drew me a big rectangle marking the extremes of the range, and I drew a line right through the middle. So
Yep. Because it isn't a bigger range. Like the main level of resistance is somewhere up at those 1800s, 1803. So you're like right in the middle of the sideways movement. So yeah, it does make it a little bit harder to trade off those micro areas.